Let's go, Lily. Nice. Count them out. Let's go. I need something. Give me some energy.
4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice. Working those glutes. Tight as possible.
3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice. Two more. Good.
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2,
Nice.
3, 4, 5.
Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Last one.
2, 3, 4.
Nice. Take those off. Let's change it up a little bit. Take those off. Nice. Grab your 5-pound weights. Bicep curls. Right there behind you. Come on, champ. Bicep curls. Tight abs. Count them out.
3.
Louder.
4, 5.
Good.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Nice.
14,
On 15, legs together.
15.
Arms up. Kick that first leg out. Up and down. Kick.
1,
Nice. Come on.
2,
Come on.
3, 4,
Harder.
5,
Harder.
6,
Get vicious workouts. Come on.
8, 9, 10,
Switch.
11, 1, 2, 3,
Good.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Let's finish with jumping jacks.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
Good.
16, 17, 18.
Box them out. Box them out. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Switch.
20.
Nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Nice. Tell me your name.